Have you ever felt like walking away from the person God gave you? The fights, the silence, the pressure, it feels easier to quit. But friend, what if God's warning is this? Don't let go. Before we dive in, hit that like button and share this video. Do subscribe. Do you know, Jesus said in Matthew 19 verse 6, "What God has joined together, let no one separate." That's not just a verse for weddings. That's a reminder. God takes covenant seriously. I knew a couple ready to call it quits. They were tired, hurt, done, but in prayer, they both felt God whisper, "Stay." They worked, forgave, rebuilt, and today, their story encourages others. See, the enemy loves division. He loves to whisper, "You deserve better. You can't fix this." But God whispers, "Hold on. I can restore." Staying doesn't mean ignoring pain. It means letting God heal what's broken. It means fighting together instead of against each other. Don't give up too soon. God's love is bigger than your struggles. Take time this week. Pray with your partner. Ask God to strengthen your bond. And if this spoke to you, share it with someone who needs hope in their relationship.